Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money over and over again, hundreds and hundreds and up to thousands of dollars for doing something that is absolutely easy. This is something that a 10-year-old could do. You don't need any skills to do this. You don't need any experience at all. This is something you can do from home or whilst walking, even in the toilet. Wherever you are, you can actually do this. You don't even need a fancy computer or a phone that is so fancy to do this. The average device can do this, so it's something that is amazing, which I want to share with you today. Now, you must know that this is absolutely free, which means that you don't have to pay to register, or there are no extra hidden costs. There are no costs at all to do this. There's no registration fees at all. That is what I love about this. And it's available worldwide, which means that it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Every continent is accepted. Australia, Africa, America, South America, Europe, Asia. We can all get access to this opportunity. So all you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss an important step, because I'm going to explain everything to you and take you through the step-by-step procedure. So you just want to make sure you don't miss an important step. Now, before I show you how it works, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss an important video. Anytime I upload, you will easily be able to find my videos. So, the website I want to show you today is called Gumroad. It's gumroad.com. Gumroad.com. Now, Gumroad is just a platform where you can actually sell films, courses, music, ebooks through their platform. Basically, you upload a file up on Gumroad, and the Gumroad will provide you with a link which your clients can actually click on, and they can make a purchase through Gumroad and you get paid. So as you can read over here, they've earned over 319 million selling films and courses and music and books and more. So this is a big thing that is happening. They've made a lot of money from doing this. Now, you might ask yourself, so where am I going to get the things to sell? Okay, we're going to be focusing on ebooks today. I'm going to show you where you can get free ebooks. You don't have to write the ebooks yourself. There's a place where you can actually get ebooks that are free. There are no copyright issues. So you want to go and look up free PLR downloads. So it's freeplrdownloads.com. So when you're here, this is the main page. You want to come over here and click on ebooks. As you can see, there's ebooks, software, videos, other. You want to click on ebooks. Now, when you click on ebooks, they're going to provide you with all the lists of ebooks. Now, the ebooks are in different categories. We've got affiliate marketing, copyright, internet marketing, building love, network marketing, fitness, dating, so many. So we want to do, for example, there's one called beauty. Since there's so many people, so many women out there that desire information on beauty, which has to also do with health as well. You can also do health or beauty. So let's click, for example, on beauty. As you can see over here, we have all kinds of ebooks that are dealing with beauty. So, how to win your war against bad breath. Building body essentials. How to win your war against acne. Then we have belly fat free. Well, this is good because there's so many people that have belly fat and they don't know what to do. So it's going to provide you with a description. As you can see, you will discover the topics about the importance of eating the right foods and how it will help you banish stubborn belly fat from your body for good, how excess belly fat affects your overall health. Hint, it changes more than your appearance. The real truth about losing lower belly fat for a sexy flat stomach. Some simple yet effective diet tips that will help you lose excess belly fat, and the connection between belly fat and diabetes and how it affects your health. So this is absolutely free to download and you can use it for your own good. So you just want to go over here and click on download. This blue button here, just click on download and it will download immediately onto your computer. So once you have that downloaded, you want to go back onto Gumroad. So with Gumroad, in order to sell with Gumroad, you definitely need an account. I already have an account, but you need an account. So you just want to, there should be a button called sign up over here. If you don't have an account, you just want to click sign up. So you just want to, okay, for example, you just want to go and type in Gumroad. Okay, so when we click on Gumroad, you're gonna get the results on Google. So as you're here, it's the first link over here you want to click on. So as you're here, if you don't have an account, you want to click over here. It says start selling. So as you see over here, start selling, then you just want to either connect with Facebook or connect with Twitter, or you can use your email address, whichever you like. So once you have an account, you want to click on products over here. So you click on products, and then you just want to go start selling today, name of the product. So the name of the product that we do have is belly fat free ebook. So we want to type in belly fat free ebook. So with the price, you want to keep it between $5 to $6, which is good. $5 to $6 for the book is good, and because $5 is something that people are willing to pay. When it's too expensive, people don't really want to pay. So you want to keep your ebook between $5, which is good. So over here, you want to put a brief description. I'm just going to put testing. So with the description, basically you want to go back to PRR and you want to find the description, which will be over here. You can just copy this and then you want to paste it over here. Then with the cover page, if you notice that when you actually download the ebook, it will provide you with the cover page in the folder. So belly fat free, you will see e-cover, then you're going to get the cover page. Or you can just go back to over here and you can right click and save this as image, and you'll get the cover page. So you don't need to worry about the cover page. As we can see, we have the cover page already. Summary, you'll get ebook, you can write in, for example, information on how to lose your belly fat. So over here, allow customers to pay what they want. No. So that will be basically it. That's the essential information that you need to put in. You want to put $5 a month, and that's it. So you want to save changes. So now you'll see over here you have a link. This over here is the actual link that you can actually copy, and this is the link that you will be giving to your customers. So if you click on publish, you'll see over here you can share the product via Twitter, or you can share it via Facebook, depending on whichever you want. But if you copy URL, then you have the URL. So basically what you want to do is you either want to promote it on Facebook, on Twitter. If you have Twitter, if you have Instagram, you can promote it on Instagram, or whichever platform you do have. If you have a YouTube channel, you just want to promote it on there. So this is just something you can do. And remember that on PRR downloads, there are so many different kinds of ebooks and so many categories you can choose from. So you can do this and maybe upload like 100 different ebooks and make them each for $5, and just spread your link wherever you can. And definitely you'll make around $100 a day if only you share your link correctly to the right people. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's absolutely free to do, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or there's any confusion, just comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as I can, and just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications. If you do, I would really appreciate that, and I hope people support you too. Thanks for watching, and cheers.